His early stand-up years were the happiest time of his life. Warts and all, Oliver loved every minute of those early days of perpetual comedy gigs. Oliver told Rolling Stone, "It's undeniably physically grim from the outside. If you're traveling to gigs constantly where you're getting paid nothing, you're sleeping in shitty hotels or sleeping on night trains or night buses on the way home. And yet, there is nothing more exciting than feeling like you're getting better at something, and each time you reach a cap, finding a way to break through it. When I started off, you just want to get that laugh." He doesn't want his children to speak with American accents. Oliver loves America, but will have none of its various accents. He thinks he'll try to program his kids to speak like he does, but whatever the opposite of elocution lessons are a kind of reverse Pygmalion process. By George, I think she's lost it. He had a face-off with an Angry Ali G Impersonator. Oliver and comedy partner Andy Zaltzman were at an event many years ago when a guy got up as Ali G and performed Sacha Baron Cohen's material while promoting another comedy gig. The Ali G Impersonator bombed. Oliver got up and said, "Obviously don't go see that. That's just a man using someone else's jokes," Zaltzman recalls. So Jon was confronted by this man, who was about 5'6", in full yellow Ali G kit and jewelry, threatening him with an extremely violent altercation. He says to Jon, "Have you never died at a gig?" And Jon said, "Yes, I have, but I've done it as myself, using my own work." This was broken up before it ended in a fight, but it was a fairly comic sight, seeing Jon face to face with a short man dressed as Ali G who was in a state of considerable anger. He has a dog named Hoagie. Hoagie is a golden retriever. She apparently has the same ambivalence for her master's career as her master does. His childhood dream was to become a soccer star. According to Rolling Stone, Oliver's childhood dream was to become a professional soccer player. He met his favorite team, Liverpool F, at a game at Yankee Stadium in 2014. He has no desire to be famous. He has no desire to be famous.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.